Did you know YouTube has a built-in video editor into their website? Yeah, I didn't really know that either until I was going through editing some of the cards in a video, and then I saw something called editor. So I took a look at it, and it got me thinking, could I make a video on YouTube? Seems like it could be possible. It has a video editor. There is an audio library. Maybe I can make something. So let's take a look at the YouTube video editor and see what you can and can't do with it. So first of all, the general idea, who would want to use an online video editor? Well, probably if you're a new YouTuber and you don't really have a lot of equipment. You don't have a computer you can edit on. You don't want to pay for the software to use that feature. There's a lot of reasons why you might want to do that, but let's take a look at what it can do. First of all, it's not the way you would expect it to work and the way I was expecting it to work either. You cannot make a video from scratch using the YouTube editor, unfortunately. The way this works is you take a video that's already been uploaded and you can do very, very few things to it. One cool thing is it separates audio and video into their own channels, just like a normal video editor. So you have your video channel, you have your audio channel. The only thing is you cannot change any of the video. You can't add B-roll. You can't add clips together like a normal video editor. And we do have our audio, and you can expand that to have multiple audio tracks. You can add an audio track, and you can replace the existing audio track, but your audio that you can add can only be from the YouTube Music library. You can't upload your own video. You can't upload your own audio. You can't do anything like that. If you want to add something, it's got to be music, and it's got to be through the YouTube audio library. That's all you can do. So right now it's looking like a very less featured video editor. You can't really do anything at all. You can maybe make some edits to an already published and edited video, but you can't do it from scratch. We have Elements, which is pretty much just end cards. That's all it is. Your end card editor is already available in the basic metadata editing page on your video. So it's in two places, I guess, but that's not really interesting. The coolest thing though is blurring. And I feel like that's the most featured thing. And I guess the only reason why you would ever want to edit your video on the YouTube website rather than doing it on your computer. You can edit your video after the fact and change some things so that you don't have to take it down and then re-upload it. That's the only reason why you would ever really want to do that. The blur feature is kind of cool. You can blur a couple of different things by just drawing a box, or you can have it find faces and automatically blur faces. That's all you can really do with the YouTube video editor. It's kind of not very featured, but then again, if we're making a review on something and you have 30 raw clips, you don't really want to upload every single one of those to YouTube to then go edit. So there's different things of why you may or may not want to do that. The really only reason that you would ever want to use the YouTube video editor is if you need to blur something or you need to change your music or audio because it's been copyrighted. That's pretty much it. You can't add speaking dialogue afterwards. You can't add your own music. You have very limited options in what you can do. So my plans of editing this video here on the YouTube video editor, not going to work out. So that's unfortunate, but it did give us a chance to take a closer look at the YouTube video editor, seeing what it can and can't do. And well, now you know what it can do. So if you want to make changes to your videos, you now know what it can do. So anyway, that's all for this video. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.